Meaning of Lord Nuffield.
Lord Nuffield.
Lord Nuffield.
Lord Nuffield.
Lord Nuffield. Lord Nuffield was a title bestowed upon William Morris, an English motor manufacturer and philanthropist, in recognition of his significant contributions to British industry. Morris founded the Morris Motor Company, which later became part of the British Motor Corporation, and he played a key role in the development of the British automobile industry. In addition to his business accomplishments, Morris was also known for his charitable activities, establishing a number of foundations that continue to support education and medical research today.